Hi guys! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the website Popplet to create mind maps. First of all, when you are on the Google homepage, you have to type in the following web address: www.popplet.com, and then you press enter. You are now on the Popplet website. To get going with the website, you have to log in into your account. So you have to click on Login in the top right corner. If you don't have an account already, you can create one by clicking on Sign Up at the bottom of the box. Then you will have to enter all the required information. So they will ask you for your first name, your last name. You'll have to enter your email, and note that this will be your username. Confirm your email, so you type it again. Enter your password, confirm your password, and finally you have to click on the box to say that you agree to Popplet's term or service and privacy policy. Then you click on Next. For me, this step is already done as I have an account, so I'll go back to the login box. I just have to enter my nickname, this here, and my password, that is this here, and I click on Login. So we are now on the Popplet homepage. On this homepage, you can see all the Popplets you have previously made. So you can see that I have different Popplets here. You can go back and see them whenever you want to. Now, to create a new Popplet, you have to click on Make New Popplet in the top left corner. You have to enter the title of your Popplet. We'll call this one Example. And then you have to choose the what color you want your background to be. So we'll say blue for this one. Then after, you have to click on Make It So to be able to actually start to create your Popplet. So make it so. The goal of Popplet is to add boxes that are called popples for each idea or word you want to include in your mind map. To add a popple, it is very simple. You just have to double click on the place you want your popple to appear. So, click. I can move the box like this. When the box is on the page, you have different options at the bottom of the box. The first one is to change the color of the box. So this one here, change colors, you click on it and you can choose what color you want your box to be. So for this one, we'll say pink. The second one is to type your text. So the little A right here, it allows you to type stuff. So I'll say example. And then you see here you have different options. So you can make the font bigger or smaller by clicking on this, this, or this. And you can align it to the left, center, or right. So I'll make it in the center. The next tool is the pen. If you click on it, you can draw something in your box. So click, and I choose my color, and I can draw something. You have two different options after that. You can click on Expand. This will make the box bigger like this. Or you can click on Clear Drawing. This will make your drawing disappear. Like this. After, if you want your box to come back to its regular size, you just click on the arrow that is here. Whatever arrow you want, you have 3 choices. And just drag the box to make it smaller. Finally, the next option allows you to add a video or an image to your Popplet. So you just have to click upload things, you have two choices. You can add a video from Vimeo. So if you click, you will have different choices. Like this, you can just click on it and it will be added to your Popplet. Or you can add a picture from your computer directly. So you have all your documents that are opened and you just have to choose where is the picture you want to add. Now to create another Popplet, you have to double click to the place you want it to be, like you did for the first one. So I want it here. There you go. You can use the different features I just talked about to personalize your Popplet. So I can change the color. I can type in something. So once again, example. I'll make it smaller for this one and I'll align it to the left. And I won't draw something or add a picture. Now, if you want to link your Popplets together, you click on this box here. You click on either one of the circles that are around the box. So I'll choose, for example, this one. I click on it and then I drag it to the box I want to link it with. So this one, there you go. So you can add many different boxes to create your mind maps. So you are now set to create wonderful mind maps. I hope that this tutorial helped you. Goodbye!